Today we're making one of my favorites, Firehouse Jambalaya, with a twist. We're gonna make it a little healthier version than the Firehouse version.
Some of the things we did was switch the regular sausage for turkey sausage, and instead of loading up with rice on the bottom, we actually used cauliflower rice, which is so delicious. Let's get to it.
As you can see, this is packed with protein.
And it makes a ton of leftovers.
Looks like we'll be having this all week.
We sure will. For this recipe and so many more, check out healthystepsnutrition.com.